Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the GPU and confirming the installed driver version. This prevents wrong installs. Once done, create a Windows restore point or full backup so you can revert. Make sure power and network are stable. Next, decide whether to use the GPU vendor site or your PC maker. Download the exact driver package for your model and OS. Do not unzip yet. Save the installer in an obvious folder. This initial precision avoids mismatches and long rollbacks. You now remove the old driver to prevent conflicts. Run display driver uninstaller or use Windows uninstall. Clean removal is crucial. Once done, reboot and close apps that might lock files. Temporarily disable antivirus if the installer flags it. Then run the downloaded installer as administrator. Choose a clean install when available to replace settings safely. During installation, watch progress and accept reboots if the installer offers components. Include the control panel unless you prefer minimal drivers. You finish by verifying success. Open Device Manager and the vendor control panel, confirm the reported driver version, and inspect device status. This proves the install took. Once confirmed, run a short benchmark or a quick game to validate performance and stability. Monitor temperatures and artifacts. If something goes wrong, first roll back the driver in Device Manager or reinstall the previously functioning version. Otherwise, restore the system point you made. That single troubleshooting step usually recovers you quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.